We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Can a credit repair company remove collections? If you have collections on your credit report, you may be wondering if a credit repair company can help you remove them. The answer is yes, a credit repair company can help you remove collections from your credit report. Collections can have a negative impact on your credit score, so it's important to take steps to remove them. A credit repair company can help you do this by negotiating with creditors and debt collectors to have the collections removed from your credit report. The credit repair company will work with you to create a plan to dispute the collections and get them removed from your credit report. They will also work with you to create a budget and payment plan to help you pay off any outstanding debts. The process of removing collections from your credit report can take some time, but with the help of a credit repair company, you can get the job done. They can help you navigate the process and ensure that the collections are removed in a timely manner. If you have collections on your credit report, don't hesitate to reach out to a credit repair company for help. They can help you remove the collections and get your credit score back on track. Your credit report is your financial reputation, and you want it to be as clean as possible. Removing negative items, like collections, can improve your score and help you get better rates on loans and credit cards. Clark Howard, consumer advocate, and radio host. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.